How many microorganisms can grow on your bed if you sleep on it every day? As someone who's very particular about cleanliness, I change my sheets and duvet covers every 2 weeks, which feels like a big cleaning marathon. But after all that effort, the only noticeable change seems to be that the bed smells a little fresher. My skin still itches, and I still break out. So, is it possible that some problems can't just be solved by washing? Not only that, but when it comes to the microorganisms and bacteria that thrive on your bed, it might actually be dirtier than your toilet. Yes, that's right, the little critters sharing your bed are dust mites. Their waste and dead bodies are the main causes of skin issues and allergies. These mites are in close contact with you every day, crawling over your skin, every inch of it. It almost feels like something out of a monster horror movie. These pests feed on our skin flakes and produce a lot of waste. This waste and their dead bodies float in the air, and we either breathe them in or come into direct contact with them, causing allergic reactions, itching, and even respiratory issues. Dust mites pose a significant health threat, but many people ignore the hygiene of their beds, leading to frequent skin irritation and allergies. What's worse, these tiny creatures are pretty adaptable. They can adjust their breeding rate based on the environment. If you don't wash your sheets regularly, they'll breed rapidly, turning your bed into an ever-expanding slum of these pests. So, do you really want to let these creatures continue to run wild on your bed? Think about it. You diligently wash up every day and apply expensive skincare products, only to lie down on a bed teeming with mites and their waste. No wonder your skin doesn't improve. A good mite remover is your bed savior. It can penetrate the fibers of your sheets, eliminating not just the mites but their eggs too, stopping them from multiplying. It also has powerful suction to remove dust, skin flakes, and mite waste, leaving your bed spotless. This isn't just a mite remover, it's like a beauty tool for your bed. Skincare starts with a clean bed, and tackling the mite issue is key to clear skin. It's important to note that stress, lack of sleep, and a weakened immune system make us even more vulnerable to mite-related issues. Mite eggs are the key to their reproduction, and traditional methods for eradicating them often fail to kill the eggs. That's where far-infrared technology comes in. It uses high temperatures to penetrate deep into your mattress, duvet, and pillows, tackling the problem at its source. This is not just a marketing claim. Scientists have even published related reports on this technology. Even if you take great care of your skincare routine, if your bed hygiene isn't in check, all your skincare products will be ineffective. The final step of skincare is actually eliminating dust mites. So, if you don't care about the cleanliness of your bed, no matter how expensive your skincare products are, the results will be compromised. I won't lie, making this video I've seen a lot of dust mite pictures, and I can't help but marvel at how nature works. These tiny creatures almost look like something out of a Cthulhu-esque horror movie. Honestly, if you told me these were bioweapons designed by aliens to exterminate humanity, I'd believe you. Anyway, that's it for today. Don't spread rumors, and I'll see you in the next video.